Hi, I'm Kyle Barker with MarineMax Lake Ozarks, and I'm here standing in front of the all-white G25 2018 model. It's got a lot of great new features for 2018, and I'm going to show you a bunch of them in this next video. So one of the biggest things that's new for the 2018 is the Nautique Steering Assist. As you can see, we have the stern thruster right here that allows you to have total control of the boat when you're steering, going forward and reverse, which is a great new feature for Nautique that really sets us apart from any other brand. As always on the G25, you have the great entry where you can walk in and out very easily, all on SeaDek, so you don't have to step on any of the vinyl or the cushions. So if you can just walk straight up and straight into the boat, no problem. So now inside the boat we have the Mojave tan interior with the white accents with the tan SeaDek as well. It's a great color, it gives you that nice classic look with the new age design of the boat. Some of the other features that we got, this boat, we have a lot taller tower now. With me being 6'3", I'm able to walk underneath no problem. Lots of headroom. We have the new vertical clamping board racks, which is a great new feature here. Very easy to get in and out. It just comes up and down, holds your boards into place. You can put wakeboards and surfboards in there. There's no need to switch out any different racks for that. Of course, you still have the great Nautique link system that's able to control all of your settings throughout the boat, your ballast settings, your speed control, your stereo, and everything with that. So for 2018, we still have the 12-inch link Panorama touchscreen. Some of the new features in this screen is the integration of GoPro. You can now connect your GoPro into your screen. You can control everything from recording pictures and time lapses as well. One of the nice features is actually synced in with the throttle. So as you go forward in the throttle, it'll start to record, and as you pull off on the throttle, then it'll stop recording, so you're not wasting your memory space. Also, one of the new features is the new lighting packages that we have. Now you can control all the lighting with any color, so you can go through all the spectrum and you can change all the interior lighting and the cup holders and everything to match any color that you have on your boat, or if you want to cycle through all the colors, it'll go on a rotation. The seating arrangement in the G25 is amazing. As you can see, you have the full wraparound seating right here, but it easily converts into all rear seating very simply. Pull there and lift up. You have rear seating there. Lift up here. Now you have a spot for everyone to be looking towards the rear of the boat and checking out all the options. Everything goes back just as easy. It goes into place. And it's now back to your wraparound seating. Very easy stuff. With the G25 being the biggest model in the lineup, with that comes tons of storage. As you can see, you have storage on both sides, very deep, which also connects into the cockpit. So if you have longer things, you can fit them right up underneath. You also have huge storage underneath the passenger seat here. It goes really deep. As you can see, we have the cover rolled up in there, and there's still a lot of room for storage. Also, with this boat, you have the custom JL audio system with speakers. Everything is integrated into our Link Panorama screen, and also with the JL Nautique exclusive wavefront speakers in the dash. So pushing this G25 is the PCM XR7 550 engine. It's the biggest in the lineup, so you can make sure you can load this boat down and have no problems pushing it. Also has the 2-to-1 transmission, so tons of torque, get you up out of the hole with a full boat load of people in the boat. So it's a great engine and has more than enough power to do everything you need to. So we just took a quick look at the 2018 G25, but the most important thing is getting the boat on the water and seeing it for yourself. So come see me, Kyle Barker, at MarineMax Lake Ozarks, and get this boat on the water and really see what it can do.